Hi, it's Jonna with Bee's Knees. In today's video, I'm going to compare teckwrap's cold change vinyl. I have two different types. I have the clear to color, and then I also have the white or lightly tinted to color. And here in the middle, these green hearts, on top of each heart is a dot of each different type, so you can see the differences in layering in the two. I have the colors red, orange, yellow, and green, and these in the center, those are both oranges. The difference between the two is the clear color change is actually a translucent. So it's a different look. If you're going to put it on your glass, it's more of a, you don't see it until the cold water comes into the glass and changes it into that color. The opaque ones are a solid, so it's easier to use this white or lightly tinted color as part of your design, so you can layer it on top and see it, and then all of a sudden when the cold water comes into your glass, you have this pop of brilliant color on top, so it changes from white to a color. They both do the same thing, but in different ways. It depends what your design is doing and how you want to use them. So we see these at room temperature. Now this is what it looks like when they turn cold. So as you can see, they're similar colors. These are a little more solid looking because they're opaque, and these are a little more see-through because they're translucent. And you can see in the middle, the one thing to keep in mind is the opaque one keeps the same exact color, but the clear or translucent color change kind of takes on some of the color of what's layered beneath it. So that's one other thing to keep in mind when you're using these. And now I'm going to walk you through creating a cup using both of these different types of cold to color change vinyl. So when I'm looking for good vinyl, I am looking for 5 things. I'm looking at their appearance, I'm looking at the ease of cut, I'm looking at the ease of weeding, I'm looking at the ease of application, and I'm looking at its longevity. So appearance is my first criteria, and so far so good. So let's take a look now at the second, which is ease of cut. Everything cut out perfectly. The only suggestion I have is the white color change is a little bit thicker because it's opaque, so you do need a setting with more pressure, which is why I use the holographic vinyl. I'm sure there are a lot of other settings that would work as well. So now I'm going to weed the cold color change clear to color vinyl first. And I just have to be careful because I have just a lot of little dots. That weeded beautifully. And yes, I know I wasted a whole bunch of vinyl. It's painful, but I'm just doing it more for demonstration purposes. And then my last one to weed is this cold color change white to a color. In this instance, it's orange. And I think what I'm going to do with this one, because I have a lot of these tiny little pineapple pieces, is I'm going to reverse weed this real quick. So for those of you that don't know about reverse weeding, it is a lifesaver when you have a lot of little tiny pieces that you want to make sure don't come up when you're weeding. So what you do is you take transfer tape, and I am using Teckwrap's matte transfer tape. It's my favorite transfer tape in the whole wide world. And then just put that transfer tape on top. Push it down very well. Then you want to burnish the back side as well. Put a lot of pressure so everything is sticking to that tape. And then what you're going to do is you are going to pull the backing of your vinyl away. And then next, you are going to pull the vinyl itself away. And as you do that, all of your little pieces will stay. All of my little dots, all of my little zigzags, and all of my little triangles. And this is weeding beautifully as well. Ta-da. Perfect. So far, cutting has been a success, weeding has been a success. So now we're going to go and see how easily the vinyl applies to my glass. So you can see when I applied the white to color over the blue, I have no air bubbles. I have no air bubbles in any of this. So it all applied very well. So overall, you have two fabulous options for cold color change vinyl. You have an opaque and you have a translucent. And as you can see on the left-hand side, they're functional, they work very well. They change from their current state to a bold color. The one thing to keep in mind is the translucent option can be hard to line up because it is see-through. But I was just thinking there might be a way to actually change it to the color option and then line it up. But the appearance is very appealing. It's easy to cut, it's easy to weed, it's easy to apply. And in terms of longevity and durability, that is to be determined because I just got this not too long ago. But I did take this cup and I washed it. I scrubbed the outside in hot water. And I also submerged it in water and nothing budged, nothing moved around when I had all that condensation from my ice cold water. So I think those are all very good signs for its longevity and durability. I hope you found this review useful. Thank you so much for joining me at Bee's Knees today.